friends, myself Amar. In this video, again I will start with that, I will resume with the tutorial which I was discussing in the previous videos. Okay. Now, if you see here, whenever I will click on this login, how this design is coming, how to design this window that I have discussed. Similarly, for alert and for this slider also, I have created some designs. Let me show you. If you click on alert window, this is the alert window which I have created. Now see, these are the buttons. Which kind of button? JAVAFx button. And if you go to the properties, I have taken the button type as flat. And how I have changed this color? The color I have changed simply by going to the style sheet. Now if you see here, it has a style effects background color. Here I have taken this particular color. That's why we are getting it here. I have created these designs for alert window, right? Now what will happen whenever I will click on these buttons that I will discuss later on. Similarly, for slider, this means for this slider, I have created a design in this slider content file. Here I have simply taken a slider, okay? If you see, this is the slider which I have taken, right? Now, JAVAFx slider. Now, if here it has some properties, okay? It has some properties like indicator position. What is this indicator position? Let me show you. If you go to slider, see, whenever I am dragging it, this is the indicator. See, in the topmost position, a bubble is coming like 57, 56 is reflecting there. That is called as indicator, right? Then we have mean value as 0, max value is 100. Mean is 0 and this max is 100. Okay. Block increment is 10. This means whenever I will drag this with the help of keyboard, then its value will increment by 10, right? So tick marks, these are the tick marks which is coming, okay? That's it. This is how we have designed, and this is nothing but a color picker, okay? JAVAFx color picker, okay? And for all these controls, I have given some IDs, okay? Now, if you see here, go to login. Now here I have created two buttons. One is login and another one is download, right? Now what I want to do is that whenever I will click on this login button, it will check whether values have been provided in this text fields or not. Okay. To do that, I need to write some codes also. And as we know that the business logic is always written inside the Java file, it means in the controller. Okay. For that, what I have done, if you see here, this is the login.fxml which I have designed. To create its controller, simply right click here. And then we have option make controller. Whenever I will click on this make controller option, it will create the controller automatically. This is the controller which has been created. Okay. Now if you go to this code, see here I have taken all the IDs which I have provided there. Okay, how to take these IDs, that these things you know already. Now to do validation, whether values has been provided to those text fields or not. For that, what I have done, I have used a class provided by the JAVAFx library which is called as the required field validator. Okay. Now, whenever I will click on the button, at that time what will happen? This function will be called, that is validate login. Okay. For the time being, let me comment this because I am not discussing this one. Okay. Let me uncomment this. Right. Now whenever I will click on the button, this means whenever I will click on this login button, at that time what will happen? This validate login function will be called and it will check whether uname.getText. What is that uname? Uname is nothing but the ID which I have provided to the text field. It is checking the value provided in that text field is blank or not. If it is blank, then what will happen? Uname.validate. Okay. What it will do? It will validate the text field. Similarly, for the password field also, I have used the same function, and whenever the validation fails, at that time a message will come. That message I have provided in the initialize method. If you see validator equals to new required field validator, and after that validator.set message, what message will come? Required message will come. Okay, and you need to add these validators with the controls where you want to use, and to do that we have the get validators method. Here I have written uname.getValidators.add, and after that the validator which I have created here. Okay, Now if you run this program once more, let me show you what is happening. Click here, go to login. Now if you click on login, see we are getting this message. Okay, this is how we can validate a text field, and this is the code which I have written. Okay, don't go through these notifications because I will discuss in my upcoming videos, right? This is the code which I have written. Okay, that's it for today. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.